Hi guys, sorry actually in the previous video uh, I missed in the voice. Need to on the voice microphone, so that has been missed. Okay, so sorry for that. So just want to share in a quick. So first, as of now, I will share you the odds. What are the odds right now? Sorry, cricket live line. So what is the status as of now? Come on. So as of now the status is like this. So I have mentioned the same odds. Okay, so you can see 3.8 means 2.8, 5.2 means 4.2, 1.8 means 0.8. So right now this is the situation. So how to make three sides green in test match? First, at 82 paisa I am going to lay on draw. 82 paisa lay 10,000. Okay, so at 10,000 so right now you need to lay at 82 paisa. Okay, 82 paisa. If you lay on draw, India or England will win, because right now the wicket is very good. Both conditions are very good. I don't think it can be a draw, but the problem is what we can see the weather. So daily, like August 4th to 15th, today is fine. No, it's very good. Tomorrow after a little rain, and Friday it will be morning showers and Saturday, because Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it will be 4 days. The fifth day we don't know if it gonna rain or not. It depends upon how the India team will bat. So as of now the score is 145. I think more the overs to go is 33. I think there may be more 30 runs minimum. So oh shit, we got another wicket loss. So you can see again the draw is coming into favorite. 1991 paisa. Okay, so let me share you that this video as ASAP, so we can able to get it right away. So this is the current situation. Lay on draw 82 paisa at 10,000 rupees. We need to lay 82 paisa 10,000 rupees. That will be 8,200 minus on draw, plus on India and England 10,000 10,000. Okay, this is the first entry. Second entry will be on draw. You need to back on on India. You need to back at 4.2 odds at 3,000 rupees. If you back in India on 3,000 rupees, that will be profit about 22,600 on India profit. England will be 10,000 and draw will be minus 8,200 as of now. Okay, so we'll see the conditions how it will be going further. Like if there is no rain, or it will the test match will be ended in 2 days or 3 days. It depends upon the weather and the batting of Indians. Okay, but I think there will be a result, not draw. I don't expect that the game will be draw. Okay, that's fine. If in case the game will be a draw, so I will give you another option. Like right now we can see the odds are going up 2.2 to 2.4. Okay, so I can take right now it's 2.2 2.4, right? If in case there are any chances, I'm saying you, I will update you in this 2.2 2.4. If there are right now the odds are England, so let me share here. England are 4 means 3.1, so 3.1. India 3.85 and 2. India is coming into favorite right now. 2.990. It's 2 means 1.02. Okay, 1.02 right now. Okay, what I 2 means 1. Okay, so right now I will put like this. So as of now, if we take any entry, that will be very bad in a situation. Okay, so as in video I'm explaining, as earlier I have put what is the condition or at that time. Okay, first entry will be 82 paisa lay on draw 10,000 both plus, and again I will be laying on again I will do back on India at 3,000 rupees. That will be 12,600 plus. So this is the current situation after I am taking these things. First entry, second entry, third entry I'll be doing about right now. Actually the video is little late due to some technical issues. Okay, again I have done 8,000 back at 1.56 months. Draw will you will get 2.5 or 2.56. Then I will do back again. So in that case I'll be getting 8,000 minus here, so 8,200 plus here. Okay, 8,000 plus 8,200 minus, that will be a 8,000 plus here, 8,200 minus here. Actually it will be minus 200. It's wrong. Sorry, it's correct. 12,840 will be I will be getting 8,200 minus from the first after first entry. This is the third entry I'm getting. 4,820 is a profit. 4,280 profit on draw. India wins 14,600. England wins 2,000. And depends upon how you want to play. If you want to put 3,000 back on India, you can put here. Okay. You don't want to put. You put on you want on England will win. Okay. You can put on England. So 11,300 plus here, 2,000 on India, 4,000 this one. So it's up to you either which team wants to win. You can put anything. It's up to you. Okay, so I made all these calculations. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Again, I will explain you in a very quick time because the match is running. You need to know what's going on. Okay. First, lay at 82 paisa on draw. What I did. Okay. Second, what I did, back on India 3k at 4.2 odds at 10k. My limit is 10k. Third, I have waited for 2.56 on draw and did back on draw 8k. So these are the steps I followed. This is the final profit. Okay, so let me know if you have any queries or something like that. I'll get back to you on this. I'm watching the match. I'll try to fix the profits once the match tomorrow when the match is getting open. So okay, so let me know if you have any queries, something like that. Thanks.